Dalton, you guys were down 24-13 in the second quarter, largest deficit you've faced since Florida State responded by scoring 42 unanswered. What does this say about this team?
Yeah, I mean, it's the first time we faced adversity in a while. I think that speaks a lot about this team and the character. And I was pleased. I mean, we needed to. We've been taking care of business pretty early in the past few games, so I thought it was really good for us to go out there and face some adversity and overcome it.
I guess it goes without saying, 1,351 yards. You've never been a part of something like that.
It's pretty impressive.
Dalton, how's it feel to be in the record book with the number of plays? I mean, how's that feel for you to know your legacy?
Very humble, man. You got to give God all the credit and all the glory, man, for keeping me healthy. And been very blessed. We got a great staff here that really does a good job of keeping us ready. And but it's not about me. It's about winning 10 games like we just did, and winning. I think the senior class just became, the leading group for winning conference games in their 4-year history. So that's what it's all about.
What's it mean for you guys to keep Todd clean today? No sacks in a game like this where you ran as many plays.
Yeah, well, that was huge. I mean, last week Maryland was leading the league in sacks. We didn't give up any sacks. This week, NC State was leading the league in sacks. We didn't give up any sacks, so I'm very proud of our other guys.
Also, 2 100-yard rushers with Taj running for over 102.
Yeah, I was pretty proud of Taj. It's amazing what losing 20 pounds will do for you.
What was kind of the mindset when you guys got down, I think, 24-13? Was there any sort of panic at all at the sidelines?
No panic at all. And that's the thing I'm most proud of. Last year, we didn't handle adversity very well. We were very immature. And, just the things we were able to accomplish this year has been huge.
Did you feel like this will be one of those games where you guys were going to have to put up a lot of points to win it?
Not really. I mean, we expect to score every time we have the ball, and if that's what we have to do to win the game, and we will. You got to give them a lot of credit, though. They had some tricks up their sleeve, and our defense turned it on when it mattered, and they were able to hold them down.
Everybody else, fans and everybody, have seemed to talk about South Carolina all year long. Now you guys can finally talk about that game. How much are you looking forward to a shot at finally beating those guys?
Well, this senior class has done a lot of things, but we've never beaten South Carolina. And, being the rivalry and being from Columbia, it's obviously very important to me. But right now, I'm going to enjoy this one.